Today, I want to give you 3 best intermittent fasting eating schedules if you weigh 200 pounds or more. Option number 1, if you want to eat the standard 3 meals a day, eat a total of 1,800 calories. So your first meal could be around 12 at 600 calories. Your second meal could be around 3 p.m. at 600 calories. And finally, your last meal at around 6 p.m. at 600 calories. Make sure to eat low carb, keto type foods. Option number 2, if you only want to eat around 2 meals a day, eat a total of about 1,600 calories. So your first meal could be around 12 p.m. at 800 calories and your last meal at around 6 p.m. at 800 calories. Finally, option number 3, which is one of my favorite ones, if you want to do OMAD, also known as 1 meal a day, eat a total of around 1,200 to 1,400 calories at around 4 to 5 p.m. Now, if you don't know where to start and you don't want to figure all this out on your own and you just need someone to tell you exactly what and when to eat so you can lose anywhere between 40 to 100 pounds, I would love to help you out. Send me a private message right here below using the words "send details"